Hi there, here we have the 2009 on a 59 plate Audi A3. This is the 1.6 TDI 5-door manual. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition the car is offered in. Front bumper, nice and clean, there is no scratches, no scuffs. Moving on to the bonnet, as you can see there is no chips, no dents and no scratches. So everything as it should be. Alloys, nice and clean, as you can see they are not marked, no scratches, and they haven't been curbed. Just to confirm, there is full service history with the vehicle. New cam belt and water pump was changed last year. Rushmore's have done a full service on the vehicle and a new 12-month MOT will be done at point of sale. Back bumper, great condition as well, no scuffs, no scratches, as you can see. RAC Platinum warranty as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that's also included within the price of the vehicle. You do have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months, so this is something we highly recommend at Rushmore's. If you wanted more information about the extended warranty, then no problem at all. We'll be more than happy to give you your options once you come down to the showroom or over the phone. Let's have a look inside the vehicle as well. So as you can see there for yourself, it is in immaculate condition. Outside was immaculate, inside it is nice and clean as well. The car's been fully validated by us, so seats are nice and clean, there is no tears in the seats. Back seats also nice and clean, no tears. It does also have the ISOFIX, as you can see there, for the children, so safety. Let's have a look at the boot space. So being the A3, it does have a very nice boot space. Smoke free and pet free, so there is no odours inside the vehicle. Okay, it's a driver's side door. As you can see, there is the front and back electric windows as well as the heated door mirrors. There is the auto lights, multifunctional steering wheel, as you can see. In absolute immaculate condition, especially for the age. So there is the armrest. So we do have the AC, the storage in there, AM, FM, it does have the CD. Let's go on to menu, which you can set up the clock as well. As you can see there, that's the book pack for the vehicle. So as you saw there, the car is in immaculate condition inside and out. Obviously we've done a full valet on the vehicle, so it is nice and clean, as I mentioned. There is the RAC Platinum warranty as well as the 12 months breakdown cover. You do have the option to extend your warranty, so just a recap before we finish it off. Full service history, cam belt was done last year with the water pump. there is the new 12 months MOT which will be done at point of sale. If there is any further questions or you need finance arranging, please don't hesitate to give us a call, as we'll be more than happy to assist you. Or if you are at work and you can't make phone calls, then no problem at all. You can email us, and we'll definitely give you a reply on your email and help you out. Thanks for watching.